Hi, welcome to our channel Smart Trading Ltd. I am Will and today I am here to tell you about how to install a RAM in the motherboard. So we have the ValueTech H61 motherboard with us and this is what the packaging looks like. On the back, as you can see, all the specifications which I suggest one should always check before buying a new motherboard. It is mentioned that this can support DDR3 RAM up to 8GB. So we will use this ValueTech 8GB DDR3 RAM for the installation. This RAM comes with lifetime warranty and you can see that there is a warranty sticker on this RAM. Make sure that you don't rip the sticker off the RAM. We can also see that the motherboard was manufactured in Hong Kong. They have also mentioned customer care email on the box, which is great if you are new to this. So now we are going to unbox this. This motherboard comes with a back plate and a SATA cable. They have also given a foam sheet to avoid any kind of damage. This is the manual, and then you need to check the manual if your motherboard needs certain amount of RAM sticks inserted into certain slots. Here we have only 2 slots on our motherboard. But if you are working on the motherboard that has more slots, you can simply add memory to open slots using the same process. This is the RAM module. Make sure that you handle the RAM module very carefully, and also make sure that you don't touch this golden part. So we can now start installing the RAM in the motherboard. So first thing that you need to do is that you need to press these latches and open it out, down and out. The RAM module can be installed in a single direction. So you need to align the notch in your new RAM module with plastic divider in between. As you can see over here, that plastic divider in between. Here in the RAM slot, and then slide the module in the socket firmly until the module is fully seated and the latches are placed like this. Now as you can see, the latches are placed back, and make sure that you hear this clicking sound to ensure that the RAM is placed properly in its place. So guys, this is how you install the RAM into a motherboard. Now I'll tell you where you will get these products from. I have mentioned both their websites down in the description box below. Right now they are selling these products in bulk quantities only, but you can reach out to them from their website and learn about the local distributors in your area. Thank you.
Let's have a look at the websites now. This is the website for Smart Trading Ltd, which handles the marketing for ValueTech. You can reach out to them here. But since the details are not mentioned about the products on this website, so let's go to ValueTech's website to find out more. So we can see that they not only cater to the motherboards and RAMs, but also have an extensive variety of SSDs, and they are already serving in 50 plus countries and have shipped over 1 million products as of now. Now going to the DDR3 RAM and H61 motherboard that we used earlier in our video. You can see all the capacities of DDR3 RAM available and find all the details about the RAM here, and you can check the website for current price. So heading to the H61 motherboard now. They have 3 models other than the H61. And just like the RAM, all the details are mentioned about it as well as the price. If you want to get your hands on any of these products, you can go to the contact us page on this website. You just have to mention some details and they will get back to you at the earliest.
If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends.